Guys, for today's video, I'm not sure kung nabalitaan nyo yung event ni Bilis last November 9. Dapat pupunta kasi ako doon. However, umuulan kasi or bumabagyo. Yun yung Typhoon Uwan. So medyo na-skip ko yung event ni Bilis. However, meron naman silang live and pre-recorded na rin sa Facebook page ni Bilis, which you can head over na lang dito or sa link sa baba. For today's video, from that event, Bilis partnered with a rural bank from Ilocos, which is the Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos Incorporated, to offer banking service sa loob ng Bilis app. What does it mean to you for a Bilis user? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron ng experience or meron na ako knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So ito na lang snippet from Bilis event.
Ako po, ang bangko namin, ang pinakabagong family member ng Bilis. No? So recently, Bilis actually purchased the Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. And we have very big plans po, no? Na right now or in the next few months, mag-i-integrate na po tayo ng banking services sa Bilis app.
Ayan. So nakita nyo, di ba? Yung CEO ng Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos Incorporated, nagsalita siya about this partnership with Bilis. So the main goal here is to put the banking service inside Bilis. Somewhat like what Atome did. Wherein makikita natin na pwede ka na mag-save sa loob ng Atome, di ba? But this is powered by NetBank. So what are the things to expect once integrated na ang banking service dito kay Bilis? So ito yung sabi ni Bilis. Through its partnership with RBSM, Bilis plans to roll out new features including digital savings account, fund transfer via InstaPay and PesoNet, QR payments, and cash in and out services, all integrated within the Bilis app. The company aims for the full implementations of this feature by the third quarter of 2026. Medyo malayo pa naman, but it is something to look forward to. Bakit? Kasi parang ito na talaga yung trend ngayon for a company or an investor to come in to digital and online banking. They are resorting to acquiring or partnering with rural banks. So like Atome, they partnered with NetBank, which is also a rural bank. With Maribank, they partner with the Rural Bank of Santa Rosa, Laguna. And then with OwnBank, they partnered with the Rural Bank of Cavite, di ba? Same thing with Salmon din pala. Ganun din yung naging strategy nila. So may nakikita natin parang may trend na for a known company to come into fintech, they can partner or acquire rural banks. So, given that, what are we expecting with this integration? Ako, for one, I'm looking forward dun sa interest rate na ibibigay nila. How would that interest be competitive enough para maglipat ka ng pera mo from other banks to the Bilis Bank? Another is the bank transfer. While Maribank offers 15 bank transfer per week or 60 bank transfer per month, how would Bilis cope up with that free service na in-offer ni Maribank? Parang ang ganda, di ba? Looking forward tayo dun sa magandang goal na yan. However, sino ba tong si RBSM o Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur? Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. Nung una narinig ko, kala ko Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Bulacan. But nung pinanood ko yung video ni Bilis, sabi pala Ilocos. So, chinek ko kung saan ba to, kung ano ba tong bank na to. And ito yung nakita ko. Magugulat na lang din po kayo.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
So, yan po yung picture ng branch ng Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos. Nasa rural area po talaga siya. Wala po siyang katabing ibang establishment. Parang sa unang tingin, okay, kaya ba nila? Ano bang mangyari dito? Kamusta yung financial record nila? So, when I check yung rankings ng mga rural banks kay BSP as of March 31, pagsilip ko, wala siya dun sa ranking. So nagulat ako, bakit ganito? And then nag-search ako sa SEC. Hindi ko rin makita yung company name ng rural bank na to. So paano na? Ano nang gagawin ko? So tinuloy ko yung search ko and then I found out this document na parang listahan ng mga rural banks na nagme-maintain ng basic deposit. And lumabas nga doon yung pangalan na Rural Bank of Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur Incorporated. Which then, nung sinilip ko naman yung balance sheet ng mga rural banks, nakita ko naman itong rural bank na to. Wala siya sa ranking because yung ranking is top 100 in terms of assets And makikita po natin dito sa financial statement po ni Rural Bank of Santa Maria is that nasa around 90 million po ang kanilang asset. And with that, sa asset na yan, ang deposit amount po sa kanila ay nagkakalaga ng around 36 million pesos. So yeah, so far, hindi po talaga siya ganong kalakihang bangko. Talagang maliit lang po siya. So titingnan na lang po natin, how will this partnership enrich both companies, both Bilis as a lending platform and the Rural Bank as the banking arm naman. So for our question of the day, nakita naman natin na parang may pattern sa pag-acquire or sa pagkakaroon ng digital and online banks, di ba? Para nakikipag-partner itong mga fintech companies sa mga rural banks. And for sure, meron pang susunod dyan. In your point of view, maganda pa tong nangyayari na to na mas dumadami ang online and digital banks natin for a more financial inclusive Philippines, or we are better with a handful and competitive ng mga online and digital banks? Ano sa tingin nyo? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Guys, before we end this video, malapit na po tayo mag 200,000 subscribers. And that is the next milestone na I'm aiming to reach. And based po dito sa analytics ko, mas marami pa rin po talaga ang nanonood sa akin na hindi nakasubscribe. Sana po tulungan niyo po ako ma-reach ang aking 200,000 milestone na subscribers. And once we reach the 200 milestone subscribers, magkakaroon na naman po tayo ng pa-cellphone giveaway or cash giveaway. Ano po bang mechanics nito? Well, kailangan nyo lang po sumagot ng question of the day natin, and then basically from this video na to, moving forward until we reach the 200,000 subscribers, mamimili po ako dito ng lucky winners ng either cellphone giveaway natin or 10,000 pesos in cash. So ano pa po ba ang hinihintay nyo? Di sumagot na po kayo ng question of the day natin dito po sa comment section sa baba. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Dang15 at Dang13 Osin A. Sabi po niya, "Good morning Sir Pat, I'm seeing this Google Pay na hindi ito masyado kakagatin ng masa. I think they will still use their card still for paying sa mga merchants. Gaya din po ng tanong nyo, maaaring maging limited din ang Google Pay depende sa unit ng phone na gamit. Pwede kasi yung ibang phones hindi suportado ang features ni Google Pay. Always watching your video Sir Pat since nung naging subscriber mo ako. Pa-shoutout next video. Thank you sir, more power and God bless." Kay Dang15 or at Dang13 Osin A, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. And I would agree with you na hindi ito magiging mainstream talaga. There would be a time na mas madami din ang gagamit. Like what we have right now, mainstream na ang GCash and Maya. But most of us still use our credit cards and cash. So I would agree with you that it will only be a mix of using this technology plus the existing technologies na meron na tayo. And again, thank you po for subscribing and supporting my videos. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!